How to fix Gmail quit problem. In this video guys, we will talk about the solution, how to fix and solve this problem on your Gmail. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open settings of your device, and after this you have to go directly to apps option. Here on apps option guys, what you should do next, you have to search for Gmail here. When you found it, just open it like this, and then you have to scroll up the screen and click on storage option. Click on the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and go back, click on clear cache. Then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. And what you should do right now guys, now you have to go to Play Store and you have to update your Gmail, and after this go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you will find that all your problems in your Gmail are fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.